Avoid these foods. They could be sabotaging your weight loss goals. If you're working hard to lose weight and get healthier, you might be shocked to learn that the very foods you think are helping you could actually be sabotaging your efforts. Certain foods can sneak into your diet and make it harder to shed those extra pounds, slow down your metabolism, and even leave you feeling hungry all the time. In today's video, we'll explore the top foods you need to avoid if you're serious about reaching your weight loss goals. These foods might seem innocent or even healthy, but when it comes to burning fat and boosting metabolism, they could be your worst enemies. Let's dive into the science behind it and see how they impact your progress. 1. Sugary snacks and beverages. First on the list, sugary snacks and beverages. While they might taste good in the moment, they are a major culprit when it comes to weight gain and sabotaging weight loss goals. Foods high in added sugars cause insulin spikes, which can promote fat storage, particularly in your belly area. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels, but when you consume too much sugar, it can cause your body to store excess fat, especially around your midsection. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that high sugar intake is directly linked to increased belly fat and inflammation. T. Morneau et al., 2018. And what's worse, sugary drinks like soda don't provide satiety, so you end up consuming extra calories without even realizing it. What to avoid? Soda, candy bars, sugary granola bars, sweetened coffee drinks, fruit juices with added sugar. 2. Refined carbs and white bread, including white bread, pasta, and baked goods. These foods are made with refined flour, which has been stripped of most of its fiber and nutrients. Without the fiber, these carbs are digested quickly, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar followed by a crash that leaves you feeling hungry again soon after. Consuming refined carbohydrates leads to increased levels of insulin, promoting fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area. Additionally, high-carb foods cause your body to produce more ghrelin, the hormone responsible for hunger, which can make it harder to control your appetite and stick to your weight loss plan. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that diets high in refined carbs can increase the risk of visceral fat, the dangerous fat stored around your organs. Ludwig et al., 2001. What to avoid? White bread, white pasta, pastries and donuts, bagels and white rice. 3. Trans fats, partially hydrogenated oils. Another food group you definitely want to avoid is trans fats. Trans fats are artificial fats found in processed foods, fast food, and packaged snacks. These fats are created through a process called hydrogenation, which turns liquid oils into solid fats. Trans fats not only raise bad cholesterol, LDL, but also lower good cholesterol, HDL, leading to increased inflammation and a higher risk of heart disease. But when it comes to weight loss, trans fats are particularly damaging because they can lead to increased fat accumulation, especially in the abdominal area. Studies show that trans fat consumption can disrupt fat metabolism, making it harder to burn fat and leading to increased abdominal fat storage. A study published in Circulation found that even small amounts of trans fats can lead to weight gain and fat accumulation. Mozaffarian et al., 2006. What to avoid? Packaged snacks, cookies, crackers, chips. Fast food, fried chicken, burgers, fries. Margarine and some types of vegetable oils. 4. Diet soda and artificial sweeteners. You might think swapping your regular soda for diet soda is a healthier choice. However, artificial sweeteners in diet sodas and other sugar-free products could be doing more harm than good. Studies have shown that artificial sweeteners can actually increase your cravings for sweet, high-calorie foods. This is because they activate the brain's sweet receptors but don't provide the calories your body expects. This mismatch can make you more likely to overeat, sabotaging your weight loss efforts. A study published in the Canadian Medical Association Journal found that people who consumed artificial sweeteners regularly had higher waist circumference and a greater risk of obesity than those who didn't. Swithers, 2018. What to avoid? Diet sodas, sugar-free gum, sugar-free desserts, sugar substitutes like aspartame, sucralose. 5. Fried foods. Next on the list is fried foods. While they might taste crispy and delicious, they're often packed with trans fats, refined carbs, and empty calories that can quickly derail your weight loss goals. Frying foods at high temperatures turns them into calorie-dense, inflammatory foods that not only contribute to fat gain but also increase insulin resistance. Insulin resistance makes it harder for your body to process carbohydrates and fats, leading to weight gain, particularly around the belly area. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who consumed fried foods more frequently had a higher risk of developing abdominal obesity. Ding et al., 2015. What to avoid? Fried chicken, French fries, fried snacks, tempura-style foods. 6. Highly processed breakfast cereals. Many breakfast cereals, especially the sugary ones marketed for kids, can be loaded with refined sugars, artificial colors, and preservatives. These highly processed cereals may seem like a quick and easy breakfast option, but they can be packed with hidden calories that hinder weight loss. Processed cereals can cause a blood sugar spike, leading to cravings and overeating. The lack of fiber in many cereals also means you'll feel hungry shortly after eating, making it harder to stick to a calorie deficit. A study published in Appetite found that eating highly processed foods leads to increased calorie intake and lower satiety, which makes weight loss more difficult. Almonroy et al., 2010. What to avoid? Sugary cereals, granola bars with added sugar, pre-packaged instant oatmeal. Wrapping it up. So, there you have it, the top foods you should avoid to prevent sabotaging your weight loss journey. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats that nourish your body and keep you feeling satisfied. Remember, weight loss is all about making smarter food choices, creating a caloric deficit, and supporting your metabolism. So, next time you're reaching for a snack or meal, think about how it will help or hurt your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on how to live a healthier, leaner life. Share this video with a friend who might need some extra motivation, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips to share.